Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Boolean operation command is discussed here. And guys, CATIA lecture 59 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, Boolean operation command is discussed here, and Boolean operation commands is two commands is discussed here. First is assemble and second is remove lump. Okay, two command is very important, and Boolean operations all command is very important, and useful is very also important. Okay, this is a very useful command. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is a this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a command is a this command is a remove lump, and this command is a assemble. Okay, two command is discussed here. At first any 3D body is drawing here, and then use two command one by one. Okay, at first draw a this Boolean operation command is discussed here. At first some important point is discussed here. This lecture is very important, and you can see here very carefully. Okay, at first insert, and this part body is already here, and two body is select here, first body and this is a second body. Okay, two body is a you can see here. Okay, and this is a plus and this is a plus, a positive and this is a positive, both is a positive body. Any pad command is used, then also use a positive body, and cell command is use a negative body. Okay, so one pad command and one cell command is used, and then use a assemble command. Okay, at first draw a second body and click a define in work object. Okay, then select any drawing here, then select a second body, mention a second body. Okay, this point is a click here a sketch. First is a sketch and second is position sketch. So this body is drawing here. Boolean operation is also drawing here a position sketch. Okay, this is a select here, and this is a sketch positioning is pop up, and any plane is select here. So I select a XY plane. Okay, and this is a okay, and draw a any center rectangle. Okay, and mention dimension is, you can see here, dimension is 100, and this dimension is also 100. Okay, this is a equal this square is, and exit, and pad is use, and this pad is a mirror extent, and this is a 40. Okay, and color is changed, very important, because two body is separate, then easily see here and easily learn. Okay, this is a this body correct, and again second body 3 is, and this define in the work object. Okay, and position sketch is select here, and body is also a XY plane, select here. Okay, and XY plane is a select here, and okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this body is a mention dimension is 70. Okay, and this is a exit, and this body is a pad. This showing here negative, this is a positive. Okay, and mirror extent, and both side is a equal. Okay, this is a equal. Okay, preview is showing here, and this is a equal. Okay, and color is change here. Color is a, this color is a blue is correct. Okay, this is a correct, but use a command. This body is positive and this body is negative. Second body is positive, use a pad, and this is a body is negative, use a pocket. Okay, and use assemble, and assemble means this body is click here, and also this body is a, okay, this is a assemble. Use first is select this body, and second is this body is assemble. Okay, and okay. Okay, okay, and click here, both is a, okay, and both is separate. Symbol is a second, this body and this body is click here, this is a, okay, this body is, okay, separate parts. Okay, 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 this body is a separate body, and again undo, undo is a correct. Okay, this is a undo, and use this body also, body second, this body is a, okay, and this second body is also use a, draw a mention, and XY plane is select here, and okay, and draw a circle. Circle is a, okay, draw a circle. Circle is a center, and draw this exit, and pad is used. This is a sign is positive. Mirror extent, okay, sorry, and this body is a, this length is a 60 is correct, and this body is a, color is change here, color is a, okay, this body is a correct. Green color is use, and this is a, okay, and two body is a, you can see here, and assemble. This point is discussed here, and use a, this point is not mentioned. Fillet command is not use this, use this, but this body is not use, but because this body is not assemble, this body is not add. Okay, and this body is assemble, and both is a pad. First is positive, pad command is used, second is positive, pad command is used. Then select a first command and select a, again select second command is also mentioned here. Preview is showing here, this body is a assemble. Okay, and use a fillet command is use. Okay, fillet command is use this body because both body is assemble. Okay, this is a fillet command is use and correct. Okay, and this is a undo. Okay, and okay, undo. Okay, both body is separate here, this body is not assemble. Again select assemble, and select second body, third body, and again second body. This is preview is showing here, and this is a correct. Okay, and again this body is assemble, and body is a fillet command is use. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, Okay, this is a undo. Okay, okay, this body is a okay. Next command is remove lump. Okay, and this body is a discuss here, and this body is a this command is used, but at first draw this body and select a define work object and sketch position. Position is a xy plane is select here and okay, and draw a line. Line is a this line and select okay, click here and use a pad command. Okay, and this is a thickness command is used, and thickness is a 4. Okay, enter, and this body is a this is a all. Okay, cut preview is showing here, and this is a cut here. Okay, this is a use of pad. Okay, cut here, pocket is used, but this command is a pocket command is cut here. Okay, delete this command, and this body is a okay. Okay guys, this command is a remove lump command is used, then a 3D body is a separate body drawing here. Okay, at first drawing a simple rectangle body. First is xy plane, select here and sketch. Okay, and rectangle body is a select here. Okay, this is a central body is very okay, this body is a very nice, and exit and pad. Okay, command is used, and then this is a 80. Okay, okay, and this face is a okay, this body is this face is select here, and line is a drawing a line. Okay, this line is a select here this line. Okay, and click exit and use a pocket command. Okay, this pocket command is a thick is also mentioned, and thickness is a 3. The 4 is more better. Okay, preview is showing here. Okay, okay, this is a correct, and color is change here, and first pad is a okay, this body color is a separate blue color, and this body is a color pink color. Okay, okay, and also mention this body also color is a this color, and this body's color is a green color. This body is a this color is a better. Okay, okay, okay guys, this two body is separate, and use a okay, use a command. Okay, use a command is a remove lump and select this body. Okay, face to remove. Okay, click here and face this face is remove, and click preview is showing here. This body is a remove and click OK. Okay, and also undo. Okay, and also click here, this body is select here, and this face to keep this face is keep, and this is a preview is showing here, this body is remove here. Okay, and click here undo. Okay, this is a useful and very important command is. Okay,